forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Deezer. So guys, today we are in Salem, in Runaway Bay, in the parish of St Ann. And we are going to be looking at a property called, well, a development rather, called Lakeview Park. Now guys, I'm going to send out my apologies because guys, we visited this property months and months ago and I recorded it, and I should have put it out there months ago, but it's been sitting down on my laptop. So apologies guys that I've taken so long to release this video, and also apologies for the camera work. It's really not the best, but guys, I hope that you guys will be able to see what the property looks like clearly. So this development is, like I said, called Lakeview Park, and it is situated in Salem in Runaway Bay. The actual development is located quite close to the main road, so you don't have a very long drive until you reach the development. So this development is quite a small development, and it features 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom houses that start at $220,000 US, and it also features 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom houses that start at $240,000 US. So these properties or these units come on a 1/4 acre lot, or 11,000 square foot, and you can extend to the back of the property only. So it's a really good size lot, and you can extend to the back of the property also. Features of this community: it's a gated community, it comes with a lake, hard court, and 24-hour security. These units also come with a garage too. So this again is something you really don't see with these new developments. So this is the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, and as you come in, you walk directly into the living area, which is quite a good space. Guys, this is one of the bigger units that we've seen, one of the bigger houses that we've seen, and you can see the kitchen at the back. And the first room on the right is the master bedroom. And the space in this bedroom, again guys, was one of the biggest spaces we've seen in one of these new developments. So you have your built-in closet and you have your ensuite bathroom. there we can see the bedroom from another angle. And just off the kitchen, this has been dressed as a dining area, but it's not actually listed as a dining area. This space is listed as an additional space for maybe an office, but they've dressed it as a dining table, and I think the dining table there works well. So already you can see that this property offers a lot more space than some of the other developments that we featured. And the kitchen, it is kind of an open plan concept, but with this dividing wall or archway, it kind of gives it a separate feel. Guys, what I would say about this property, even though this property is by far one of the biggest properties we've seen in terms of these new gated developments that are being built in Jamaica, it had a very traditional feel. So if you're looking for something that's ultra modern with, you know, all the mod cons, this isn't going to be the property for you. But what this property does offer is the space. And then into the second bedroom, which again is a fairly good space. And it also comes with built-in closet too. And then we have the bathroom. Again, it's very traditional feel to this property. Okay, and to the left is the garage and the washroom. Okay, and the garage, and this is such a nice addition to these units. You really don't see garages being built as part of these new developments, other than King's Landing that we featured in Linstead, St Catherine. This is the only other property that we've seen or development we've seen that offers a garage. So what a great extra space. Okay, and then outside. Now remember guys, you can extend to this property to the back. So all of this space that you see here, you can extend. One of the neighbours actually has put a swimming pool in this space. It's a really good sized space outside. You can plant things as well as extend. So this house, this unit definitely offers a great deal of space. Definitely compared to the other developments. This development, guys, does come with the garage in place already, so the door and everything and the shutters in place. It also comes with the paving that you see in the driveway, so that will already be done for you. That comes as included. The colour on the inside of the property, that pink colour that you see on the walls, that will be changed to a more cream colour on the new units, so a more neutral colour. So these paves that you see on the floor, this paving on the floor will come with the units once they're completed. And this is the outside of the 3-bedroom unit that they were currently working on. Guys, we did have a look inside. It is exactly the same as the 2-bedroom that we've just seen, but with an additional bedroom, so it is a little bit bigger, but it's a similar layout. Guys, I must admit, this was one of my favorite developments that I've seen so far. Not necessarily in terms of style. I like a more modern style, but definitely in terms of space. This offered a great space. Guys, we hope you have enjoyed this video. I will include the details of how you can view this property, or if you're interested in further information, the information and the contact numbers will be coming up on the screen now. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and until next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.